everyone. With the launch of Opencart 4, there are a lot of changes. We didn't find the Google Analytics extensions that we used to have in Opencart 3. So to fulfill that requirements, we have created a free Opencart extension called third-party JS extensions, which you can find in Opencart Marketplace for free, and you can go and download from here, or you can download from our websites directly from here. So when you go to Marketplace, download, and click download, then to upload or to add the Opencart extension, go to admin section of Opencart, installer, click upload, and your file should end with .ocmode.zip. Select that we have downloaded earlier, open. So once we complete the upload, you will see the extensions and click install. Once you install here, go to extensions and select the analytics, and you will see that third-party JavaScript. Click install. Now click edit, and you can paste the third-party JavaScript. So for the demo purpose, we will install the Google Analytics 4. Go to the admin and click the setups, tag installation, all tags, and find the global site tags, and you can copy this and paste it into the third-party JavaScript. So you can add as many JavaScript as you want here and click save. Once you save, go to the front end, click the view source, and you will see that third-party JavaScript here. So like this way, you can install the Opencart 4 modules and add the third-party JavaScripts as you need. Hope you like this video. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.